So you're just getting into cars and you want to find good, tasteful mods to make your car stand out at any car meet, watch this video and I'll show you all the things you need to know. So here are the 5 best mods you can do for a beginner car guy. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so to start, I'm going to show you guys what my car is. I have a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. It's got all the bells and whistles, full bolt-ons, wheels, coilovers, short shifter. Makes about 250 to the wheels. Nothing crazy, but it's a nice, clean, aesthetically pleasing build. So first thing for any car guy, I know a lot of people like stance builds. This is really depending on what you want. First thing I would get, wheels. That's the first thing I did to this car. These are kind of beat up a little bit, but they're out on DOS 5s. I don't know if I said that right, but I got them on Marketplace. You can find wheels as cheap as like $300-400, full set with good tread on them. But wheels make one of the biggest differences in cars, so definitely if you're looking for something right off the bat at not a bad price, I'd go wheels first. And number 2, pretty much any car guy knows how fun it is to have a loud exhaust, especially when you're banging through gears, just going through the back roads, just hearing your exhaust roar as you're driving the way. Like, nothing beats that feeling. So I'll show you guys what I'm running right now, but exhaust definitely number 2 for me. Here's my setup. I actually have an NVIDIA catback exhaust, and then I have rip mod headers up front there. Right now I have the silencer in just to keep the car quieter, but with that silencer out, this car absolutely roars, and I'll show you guys a clip of that right here. But yeah, any exhaust modification, not only for power, but for sounds, like it's all around one of the best upgrades you can do in my opinion, and I would 100% recommend it to any new car guy. All right, for number 3, we're gonna pop the hood real quick. So here's the engine bay of my car. We got a 3-liter V6, but that's aside the point from the video. Next up, 100% cold air intake. It'll give you cool sounds, not so much performance aspect of things. You're not going to get a lot of out of a cold air intake, but yeah, it looks cool, sounds cool, and it'll definitely add a lot of pleasure to your driving experience. Okay guys, there's our first 3 things down. Make sure you go like, subscribe, comment down below anything you want to see next. I'm going to go through these last 2 quick and let me know what y'all think of the video so far. Alright, so then at number 4, we're going to go with coilovers. So for coilovers, this is a pretty easy one for me. Not only they're a very simple install, but they improve the ride quality of your car. It looks way better with a stance like this too. Like the wheel gap on these Eclipses, I don't know if y'all know, but they suck. Like they really suck. So coilovers, ride quality, just the overall look of the car, it's 100% worth it. I recommend it to anybody. I'll show you guys the setup I'm running real quick. So I just have these eBay coilovers, or max speeding rods. I actually got a sponsorship to them, so if you use my code 3GRacing7, you'll be able to get 7% off any coilover purchase. So that's pretty cool, but yeah, 100% improves the look of the car here. All right, well then to conclude our video, the last upgrade I'm gonna go with for number 5 is definitely headlights and then tail lights as well. So I'll come around back here. Headlights and taillights are a great upgrade in my opinion. Completely change the look of the car. They can change an average looking car to looking brand new, especially if you have old faded like yellow headlights. Just getting a new set of headlights off Amazon, eBay, or getting a set of retrofits, 100% worth it, and they'll always get your money's worth for that. And not only do they look cool, but for functionality as well. If you get a set of good headlights, you'll be able to see a lot better at nighttime while looking a lot cooler during the daytime too. Alright, so that's going to do it then for today's video then, guys. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting. We hit 1,000 subscribers. That is so awesome to me. I'm so happy about that. I can't wait to hit even more goals, maybe 5,000 for next year. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want to do. But yeah, peace out, and I thank you all for everything. Completely 100%, like genuine from my heart. Y'all are the best.